Hello girls and guys, welcome to my channel Beauty Melange. So how are you doing today? I'm doing great. I'm still in Kolkata, spending some amazing time with my mom, dad and my sister. And the exciting thing is I got with me some really interesting skincare products that I'll show you today, and also do some random skincare and beauty talk, So let's look at the products. Product number 1, Licorice Lactic Acid Peel from Dr. Sheth's. So this mild peel contains 8.8% lactic acid that will very gently exfoliate your skin without causing any irritation, and also 2% niacinamide and licorice extract that will further smoothen and nourish your skin. Okay, now lactic acid, you already know this, is one of my most favorite alpha hydroxy acids because number 1, it is very gentle on the skin yet very effective. So even people with a bit sensitive skin can benefit from lactic acid. Number 2, unlike other alpha hydroxy acids or AHs, lactic acid also works as a humectant, meaning it helps your skin stay hydrated. Dry winter is knocking at your door. Number 3, well, I bet you didn't know this. Lactic acid can also increase the production of ceramides in your skin. And in case you didn't know, ceramides are amazing for the health and glow of your skin. So yes, lactic acid can give you all these benefits. You definitely can give it a try. And I applied this product 2 or 3 times and it does its job well. It brings out a nice glow in the morning when you wake up. Use it at night on dry skin and wear a moisturizer after 10 minutes. Please also wear a broad spectrum sunscreen during the day, every day, because lactic acid or AHs in general will make your skin a bit sensitive to the sun. And most importantly, please do not use any other exfoliating acid or retinol on the same night as you have used it. Since this peel also contains niacinamide and licorice extract, I think it can help you reduce those dark spots or melasma, pigmentation or even blackheads more quickly. The next product I have with me is the Orange and Rosehip Lip Balm from Juicy Chemistry. Yes, dry weather is here and I get severe dry and chapped lips during the winters, so I thought of trying something new this year. Okay, so this lip balm does protect your lips, but I won't say for a really long time because you do need to reapply this lip balm every few hours if you have very dry lips like mine. Also, a general tip I'll share with you guys. In order to make your lip balms or lip butters work better, please do not put them on your dry lips. You first need to wet your lips with water, of course, not with your saliva like, no. Am I being gross right now? Okay, so please apply your lip balm or lip butter or lip mask on your damp lips and see the difference and thank me later. Overall, a decent okayish lip product, lip balm. One more important thing to say. This product also contains orange essential oil. So if you are avoiding fragrance from your skincare, then this one is not for ya. Now, a beautiful facial oil from a brand I'm really fond of. Can you guess? I'm talking about the Minimalist Rosehip Oil with VCIP 3%. Now, the thing I have noticed with rosehip oil, okay, I have used rosehip oil before also, and I have a normal to combination skin. So whenever I wake up in the morning, I definitely get some oily feel on my forehead and my nose. But whenever I use a rosehip oil, the next day मेरी skin ज़्यादा oily तो होती ही नहीं, उल्टा my skin feels matte and nice and matte, So I really think rosehip oil can actually regulate the excessive sebum production or excessive oiliness. So my suggestion is, if you have dry skin and even if you have oily skin, you can definitely give rosehip oil a try. This Minimalist Rosehip Oil, it also contains a little bit of vitamin C for some added antioxidant benefits and some added glow. And it gets absorbed nicely into the skin within 10 minutes of applying it. So this winter, I do suggest you try this out, try this serum out and see if it works for you. So apply this oil at night after your serum and moisturizer. अगर आप अभी भी convinced नहीं हो तो मैं थोड़ा सा और आपको बता देती हूँ अभी. According to research, rosehip oil has an appreciable number of antioxidants like tocopherol and carotenoids. Due to this, this oil has a high protection against inflammation and oxidative stress. But please do not forget to do a patch test before applying it all over your face, and if you have fungal acne, then I'll suggest you talk to your doctor first before buying this product. And now I have a face wash with me, the Plum Skin Revival face wash with chamomile and white tea extract. Chamomile is soothing for the skin, and in a face wash it can gently clean your skin without causing excessive irritation, and white tea extract can provide you some antioxidant benefits, although you are washing it off, so I don't think you will get much antioxidant benefits from it. And overall it's an okayish face wash really, and it's made for people with normal to combination skin. So yeah, it will work fine for people with normal to combination skin, but if you have dry skin, please stay away from it, especially during the winter. In that case, I'd suggest you use the Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser or the Simple Face Wash, etc. The reason I got this face wash is I wanted to find a decent, affordable face wash that cleans the skin well, and this face wash is just that. So that's it for today guys. I'm filming more videos especially on winter skincare, so stay tuned. And also, have you not yet subscribed to my channel? If not, please do it now, and also don't forget to press the bell notification down there so that I can reach out to you on time. Bye, love you, take care of yourself and your family.